Hello everyone, Sean Smithson with Smithson Creations. So, beginning of this video, I wanted to announce that I am doing a giveaway. I'm not sure how many parts are on this video yet, but there's going to be a giveaway on each part. So, either you have a choice of getting a 50 pack of the or the sampler pack that they Clean Spore Abrasives has, and that is woodworkingshop.com. Be sure to check that out if you don't want to wait. And I personally am switching to the Clean Spore Sandpaper. I think it's a lot better. It lasts longer, and it's just with the hole patterns that are on it versus the Diablo that I was using. As you can see, if you have an 8-hole pattern, you get all 8 holes are clear, so your dust collection will be a lot better. So you'll either have a choice of this, or they have a 10-pound box of sandpaper, which are like cutoffs or end of rolls. So, and that's like $100 value. So that's quite a bit of sandpaper, and you can use that for, you can cut your own shapes out, whatever you need. So all you have to do to enter: subscribe, comment, tell me what you like, dislike, constructive criticism. But I'd rather not have one-word comments like "let me win" or "hi" or "me." Make it a good comment. I would appreciate that. And then be sure to go to Smithson Creations Handcrafted Woodworking on Facebook and like that page. So if you're a winner, then I have an easier way to contact you as well. So, and then we can get you your prize. So, or your prize. So that's all I ask, is just subscribe and comment. So, and then be sure to check out the page if you want. If you like the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Got to do that on the other end. I've already got one done, and save you guys from having to watch all that. And then I'll cut the fronts for them. I'm going to cut them a little bit bigger and use a flush trim bit on the rigid handheld router and run along. And then I'll do the shelves for the flat sandpaper and hand sanding paper. And yeah, it's going to be really cool. And there's also going to be a really cool surprise coming here soon. I have a friend of mine, Ryan Gratland of RPG Woodworking, that is going to be doing a really cool item for me to finish this up. So stay tuned for that. So these are the two doors that are going to be piano hinged onto the cabinet. I still have to cut out the shelves that I'm going to make for it to hold all the sheet sandpaper and a few other items. So I'm just going to sand a little bit and make sure the edges are all flat, make sure everything's smooth. I'm going to end up staining it with a pecan stain. Alright, so I went ahead and just did the outside 4 screws and then started the other one, make it a little bit quicker. Hey everyone, so one more piece I'm going to put on the cabinet. A friend of mine, Ryan Gratland from Texas, RPG Woodworking and Design, sent me a cosmetic item. He asked me, can I send this to you? I think it'd be a cool addition to the cabinet. And obviously, yes, because what he showed me was pretty awesome, so I think it'll be cool. I am going to be using some Deft clear spray lacquer. If you use this stuff, be sure to use a VOC mask with the VOC filters. This stuff is really harsh. So as you can see, project is done. All I have to do is just hang it on the wall. I'm using a French plate system. It's just the aluminum track, the other one's screwed onto the back. And this was a real fun project. I learned a lot on it. And so I wanted to give some people some shout outs and thank them for helping me finish this project. So first, obviously, all my subscribers and viewers, appreciate you watching the videos, and I hope you see that I'm getting better and doing cooler stuff. So, start out with Timothy Granger. It's my business partner, so he helps a lot of this happen. And Andrew Partipillo from True North Custom Woodworking and Cabinetry. And James King, obviously. Anytime I had questions, I could ask him, and he always helped, so I appreciate that too. And Ryan Ridgely from Barn Rat Studio. Thank him for, he sent me a sample pack from Klingspor of sanding disc for my random orbital sander, so I could try out that sandpaper instead. And Mike Klingspor from Klingspor Woodworking, and their website is woodworkingshop.com. And then JP Brown, obviously, for doing the editing of the video. He does a great job. And then Ryan Gratland, my friend in Texas, he sent me, did the CNC on the logo for me to paint and put on the cabinet. So I'll show you all the inside. And there we go. This is your build. So as you can see, all this, once I use all the sandpaper, I'm going to be switching over to Klingspor paper instead. I think it lasts longer, better quality. So yeah, definitely check out that website. And I hope you guys like this project. Be sure to comment, like, subscribe, and check out Smithson Creations Handcrafted Woodworking on Facebook. And yeah, that's it. So thank you very much, and hope you guys like it, and I'll see you guys on the next project.